I am going to click remove. Then some part of it, you're going to guess what is it. Okay?
Okay.
All right. I'm going to remove some so that you could guess what is it. It's a food. You eat this every morning.
Mm,
Okay. All right. Do you have idea now?
Yeah,
Okay, then what is it?
it is hamburger.
All right, let's see. Perfect. Wow, that's nice. You're so smart. Do you like hamburger? Yes or no?
Yeah,
Oh, wow. What is your favorite food?
hamburger.
Oh, wow, that's nice. Can you say it again in complete sentence? My favorite food is hamburger.
Yeah,
Can you repeat again in complete sentence? My favorite food is hamburger.
yeah.
Follow, teacher, complete. Say the sentence incomplete. My favorite, follow, teacher,
My favorite is
food.
hamburger.
My favorite food is hamburger.
Yeah.
All right, that's nice. All right, so how about next? Let's try. You're correct. High five to teacher. High five.
High five.
Give me high five. Yes. How about this one? The second picture. This one. Oh, what is it?
It is a pizza.
All right, let's see. It's a pizza. Oh, wow, very good. Perfect. Do you like pizza? Yes or no?
No,
No. You don't like. Why? Why you don't like pizza?
I don't know.
Oh, okay. You just don't like. That's fine. How about next? Let's have four and we could proceed with our next. Okay? How about this one?